Hello guys, this is Pretty Angel, SNU The Barkads member. Ayan. Bago ang lahat, nais ko pong batiin ang lahat ng isang magandang araw. Ayan, and may babatiin po tayo, isa sa pinaka-hottest at guwapo and magaling na singeris ng The Barkads SNU. Ayan, si Sir John Paranoid. Ayan, happy birthday and nice to be a part of this SNU The Barkads. Nakilala ka sa YT, sa mundo ng YT, and knowing you, mabait ka naman. Hindi, mabait talaga yan, and very supportive. Of course, magaling kumanta. Kapag nagsalita pa lang yan talagang mapapawaw ka na. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo, bro Paranoid, and more blessings to come, more birthdays to come, and may life ka na ba? Charot. Yan, more birthdays to come, and happy and healthy long life para sa'yo, and sana makamit mo yung mga mithiin mo sa buhay. Ayan lang, and stay as what you are. Happy birthday, and God bless you more.
Happy birthday, bro Paranoid. I wish you good health, and may all your dreams turn into reality. I know that we haven't met in person, but I want you to know that I really appreciate our connection online, your good vibes, your sense of humor, and sabi nga namin ni Beshi, you are a total package. Because you are very talented, kind, and not to mention good looking. Hindi kagaya namin ni Besh, ganda lang. Okay, and again, happy birthday Paranoid, and I wish that our team and yung samahan natin will last longer, if not forever. Sabi nga sa ating SNU Jingle, di ba? Walang iwanan. Okay? So, enjoy your day, bro. Bye!
Well, whose birthday is this today? Ang pinakasuplado. Diba? Hindi na ako nag-ayos kasi suplado naman. Happy birthday, Dion. Happy birthday to you. I just want to wish everything that you wish come true. And of course, thank you then sa support from me and from the rest of Team Saudi. Thank you. And I'm just hoping tupadin mo na yung sinabi mo sa akin, mag-guest ka ulit sa Walwala. Together with Baby Jessie, Baby Cici Barna, and stay as what you are. Always give the best and pray always to God. God bless and happy birthday. Bye. See you the next time. Bye.
Hi Sir Paranoid, happy birthday to you. And of course, ang wish ko sa birthday mo is for your happiness and good health, and of course, all the success that you deserve, whether it is for your career and also sa yung YouTube live. And I'm so happy to have met you here in YouTube. Isa ka sa mga lodi ko sa pagdating sa kantahan. And alam mo yun, nasabi ko na to sa'yo, you are one of my favorite person. Kasi talagang alam kong napakabait mo, lalo na sa iyong family and of course as a YouTube friend. So, ayun, I am so blessed to have you as a friend also. Kaya ngayong birthday mo, sana mapasaya ka namin. Kaya again, happy birthday, Sir Paranoid!
This is Jesse Blue TV. Sana kilala niyo ako lahat. Nandito po ako ngayon dahil meron akong gustong batiin na kaibigan ko dito sa YT. Napaka-passionate nitong taong to sa lahat ng mga ginagawa niya. Siyempre, especially sa singing, sa pagla-livestream. Kaya itong taong ito ay malapit na malapit sa akin. Siyempre, kasama ko sa Team Saudi at kasama ko dito sa Sunday Night Upuan Family. Happy birthday, Paranoid Dion. Paring Dion, bro Dion. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta mo. Sa presensya mo palagi sa ating mga gigs, no? Thank you. And ngayon, birthday mo, kailangan batiin kita ng bonggang-bonggang happy birthday. Di na ako kakanta, mamaya na lang sa ating LS. And yes, syempre ang gusto ko, good health sa'yo kasi pag maganda ating kalusugan, everything else will follow. Syempre, lahat ng dasal ko, ine-extend ko sa buong pamilya mo. And learning about you recently ng mga mas marami pang impormasyon about you, mas pinahanga mo ako, Paranoid. Kaya naman saludo ko sa'yo. Happy birthday, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Go lang, Paranoid Vlogs, happy birthday. Sa mga nanonood po, hello po sa inyo lahat, Jesse Blue TV. Bye guys!